Welcome to FK iPhone World. Today, we're diving into the impressive Motorola Edge 50 Pro, a device that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with sleek design. Let's start with the features. The Edge 50 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and demanding applications. It offers multiple storage configurations, including options with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and storage capacities ranging from 128GB to 512GB, catering to various user needs. The device runs on Android 14, providing a user-friendly interface and access to the latest features. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the versatile camera setup. The rear features a triple lens system, a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This combination allows for capturing detailed and dynamic shots in various scenarios. On the front, a 50MP selfie camera ensures high-quality self-portraits and video calls. Battery life is another strong suit of the Edge 50 Pro. Equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, it supports 68W fast charging and 50W wireless charging, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected throughout the day. Now, let's talk about the exterior. The Edge 50 Pro boasts a 6.7-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1220 x 2712 pixels. The screen supports a 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals, and achieves a peak brightness of 2000 nits, making it easily viewable even under bright conditions. The device's dimensions are 161.23 x 72.4 x 8.19 mm, and it weighs 186 grams, offering a comfortable and ergonomic feel. The design includes an IP68 rating, providing resistance against dust and water, and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, enhancing durability. In terms of aesthetics, the Edge 50 Pro is available in several stylish colors, including Black Beauty, Luxe Lavender, Vanilla Cream, and Moonlight Pearl, allowing users to choose a variant that best suits their personal style. In conclusion, the Motorola Edge 50 Pro stands out as a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance smartphone with a sleek design. Its robust processor, versatile camera system, vibrant display, and fast charging capabilities make it a strong contender in the premium smartphone market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable daily driver, the Edge 50 Pro is worth considering. Thank you for joining us at FK iPhone World. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and reviews on the latest tech gadgets.